Hi, good morning. Welcome to my garden. I'm just gonna give you guys a little tour of what I have. Mostly peppers, tomatoes, and it's not that beautiful because I have not been working on my garden, but just wanted to show you guys of what I have. Hope you guys like my video. If you guys do, give it a thumbs up and feel free to comment and subscribe. And let's go. This pepper, I've been having this one for 2 years. This is the second year and it already has some peppers. There you go. I also have this one. As you can see, it has a lot of flowers. It already has peppers as well. This one is its second year as well. It has some red ones there. And this one came from a plant that I had, well, I still have. So, which I'm gonna show you. It came from this one. As you can see, this one is its third year. It has flowers too. So this one, a lot of peppers fell off and its seeds it started growing again. So what I did is I brought the little plants. Once it started to grow, I just brought them out of this pot and put them on the other one that I just showed you guys. That's why I have two. I think I might have another one. I think I did more than one just with this one. Like I said, this one is 3 years old already. Hopefully it can go longer. This one, I started it indoors and then I decided to bring it out and nothing happened. Like, as in, well, it looks like it's starting to have new growth. So probably I'll just put it in another pot. Yes, it's starting to have new growth. Okay, so it looks like it's gonna produce more. And then I have this other one. As you guys can see, I love peppers. This one I also started it indoors. What happened with these is my sister was so excited on wanting to start some seeds, vegetables. She was more interested on zucchinis. So she was like, oh, let's do a lot. So we started these when it was not even the season for peppers. So I kept them inside for months and months until it finally grew. And then I decided to bring it out, but it didn't grow. It just gave me those two peppers, and the plant itself, it's not growing. And I have these herbs. I use these. I honestly do not know how you guys call this one in English. We call it see, I even forgot. Hierbabuena. No, epazote. My bad. Epazote. We call this epazote. I usually use it for my beans or food in a green sauce. This one, I topped it. I saw that there was no growth, like it was just growing. So I decided to tap off the top part and we'll see. Oh, this one, I do know which one it is. Pepper, black cobra. There you go. And then I have this cucumbers. I think I need to cut this one already. It's turning yellow. This one, I've done cucumbers before, and the plant like actually grows and expands a lot, but this one, nope, it's not expanding anymore. It's not giving no more flowers. I just put it there because I had nowhere else to put it. I guess it was a bad decision. I have more peppers over here. I know it's a mess, but I haven't been out here. And more peppers. Most of these peppers are started from seed, except the ones with the tags. Yep. And I have this lemon tree, which for some reason leaves are just falling off, and yes, it has a lot of flowers. It gives me a lot of flowers, but the limes are not staying. See, there's a lot of fruit, but they fall off. And this one, on the other hand, this is a tendering tree. This one I got it at Home Depot. It's my first year with this one. And this one, it's already 2 years. This is another lemon. It has a lot of fruit. I haven't been taking care of it, honestly. It has a lot of ants, and I guess I have to really pay attention to it. So here's my avocado. It's a Hass. This one, it had a lot of flowers, but my dad decided to help me. He said he was gonna help me water my trees and my plants, but instead of just putting the water straight to the soil, he watered the whole tree, and a lot of the flowers just fell off. So we do not have a lot of avocados, as you can see. There's not many. Very, very, very few. Like, the tree is, I'm not gonna say it's big, but it's big enough to give me plenty of avocados, and instead very few here and there. I can count probably like 15 avocados. Here's my tomatoes. These, honestly, I forgot what variety they are. I'm very bad at tagging my seeds or my plants. These are from seed. I started them indoors, then I just brought them outside. And this is how they are looking right now. Here, this one was, well, I thought it was dried. It's pepper. Sorry. It's a pepper. Again, do not know what kind, what variety. It was dry. It was like probably up to here, the plant. And it was dry, so I was already gonna throw it away and use the container for something else. But then I started seeing a little tiny bit of green growth. So I decided to leave it, and there's a lot of growth. So this is gonna be its second year. Here's another one that is going for the second year. And it already has peppers. This is another lime. This one is my very first tree. It's very short. When I had put it in the ground, my brother had a little party and he stepped on it. So since then, it didn't grow. It just grows sideways, and it's very little, like not even 3 feet. But since it was my first tree, I do not want to remove it. And over here I have more tomato. Don't know why it's not growing. It gave me fruit, but it's not growing any taller. These are supposed to be zucchinis, but nothing happened. So I'm just gonna get rid of those. Same here. And here's another tomato. These are also from seed. I started them indoors. I am not an expert, but I love to grow peppers, tomatoes, avocados. And here's another one that it looks like it's not gonna make it. Here, I'm about to put this pepper. Do not remember what kind of pepper it is, but I've been having it in a cup, and I have not been honestly paying attention to them, but today I'm gonna transplant them in this pot. But hopefully they can make it. Sorry for the noise. This is one reason why I have not made a tour, because I know there's a lot of noise. Anyway. Okay. So, as you guys can see, I do not mind getting my nails in the dirt. I love what I do. That's the only thing that freaks me out. That I don't like that. Okay. I think I'm gonna take that one out. Okay. So there they are. Hopefully they make it. This was not a tutorial. It was just a little something I wanted to do. Hope you guys like it. And we'll see how they do.